Welcome back to SundayPips, breaking down my best Forex pairs for next week. And unlike last week, today we have a lot of pairs. I will have to go a little fast. Don't want this video to be too long. USD JPY, weekly bearish, daily bearish, 4-hour bullish. We have two time frames going down. I will be looking for sells. I will wait for a shift of structure on the 1 hour. If I get an engulfing, I take the trade. Stop loss will be somewhere above the lower high. Take profit. 4-hour structure point right here. But I do believe on the weekly time frame we will fill this wick. We will probably do something like this. Euro GBP, weekly bullish, daily bullish, 4-hour bullish. Looks very clean. This is probably my favorite pair for next week. I will wait for a pullback into the zone. 1 hour will go bearish to create it, and then once we get here, I wait for a shift of structure. If I get an engulfing, I take the trade. Stop loss will be under the zone. Take profit will be at the daily structure point. Whenever we're under this zone or around this area or just under this line, price tends to go down. For example, right here we went down, and I bet I can find more examples to the left. Yeah, right here too went down. Back here went down. Euro CHF, weekly bullish, daily bearish, 4-hour bearish. Even though most of the time frames are going down, if we look on the weekly, we are around that area where we could potentially start creating the new higher high. So I will wait for 4 hour to shift bullish, so I have two time frames in sync. And on this pullback on the 4 hour, I will go down to the 1 hour, wait for a shift of structure, get an engulfing, take the trade. Stop loss will be somewhere under the zone. Take profit 1 will be at this area. Final take profit will be up here. Guys, you gotta keep in mind that daily is bearish. If we have a pullback into the zone, that means we're retesting the previous structure point, retesting the EMA and this strong area of interest. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4 touches. So that's a place to watch out for. And if 4 hour shifts bearish once we get here, or if it stays bearish like how we are right now, I will consider looking for sells back into this area of interest down here. USD CAD, weekly bearish, daily bearish. I just love how daily looks so clean. Looks like we're ready to do something like this. Daily bearish, 4 hour bearish. All the time frames are going down. We could only be looking for sells. We wait for a shift of structure on the 1 hour. We wait for it to get to the zone. And if we get here right now, we're bearish, because right now this is the lower high, and this down here the lower low. If we get to the zone, we will probably shift the bullish, and I wait for a shift of structure. If I get an engulfing, I take the trade. Stop loss will be somewhere above the zone. Take profit 1 will be at this weekly structure point. Final take profit, daily structure point. Very easy. USD JPY, weekly bullish. We were creating lower lows, market structure. Oh, and if you don't know what market structure is, for example, if we have a higher high, this the higher high, and this the higher low. Anything that happens in here, market structure. And the opposite, if we have a lower low and a lower high, everything that happens in here is market structure. Let's look at it on the chart. lower high, lower low. Everything that happened in here is market structure. So weekly is bullish. This right here is the higher high. And this right here, the higher low. I don't want to count this right here as the higher low. Don't look clean enough. Daily bearish, 4 hour bearish. Most of the time frames are going down, looking for sells. I will wait for a pullback into this zone. Go down to the 1 hour. 1 hour will go bullish to create this pullback, and once it shifts structure, I take the trade. Stop loss somewhere above this zone. Take profit. One will be at this line. Whenever we're under this line, price tends to go down. For example, right here, right here, right here, right here. It doesn't do a pretty good job keeping price up though, which is why I think we will go through it. See, whenever we come from above, price just goes through it. Come from above, price goes through it. And right here too, it went through it. So I do believe we'll go through it, and this will be my final take profit, this zone. CAD JPY weekly bearish. Love this beautiful engulfing. Daily bearish, 4 hour bearish. Wait for a pullback into this zone. Shift of structure on the 1 hour, engulfing. Take the trade. Stop loss above this zone. Take profit. Take profit will be like down here. Yeah, that looks clean enough. Take profit right there. I do believe we're gonna fill this wick, but I would prefer if price pulls back into this second area of interest on the daily right here, because if it pulls back into this zone, that means we're retesting around psychological level 300, retesting the previous structure point, and the EMA will probably drop down and be used as resistance. See how I get more reasons to take the trade to the downside versus right here, where if price pulls into here, we'll only be retesting around psychological level 9,000 and the strong area of interest with one. It's not even that strong. We only have about 2 touches. Not that strong, so that's why I would rather price pulls back into the second zone instead. USD CHF weekly bearish. Oh yeah, and I think we'll be retesting the neckline of the head and shoulders. Let me see. Yeah, we'll be retesting the neckline of this head and shoulders on the daily. More reasons to go down. We'll be retesting this neckline. USD CHF weekly bearish, daily bearish, 4 hour bearish. Not my favorite pair, but it do kind of looks clean. Pull back into the zone, go down to the 4 hour. 4 hour will remain bullish, and once we get here, I will wait for a shift of structure on the 1 hour. Louis will look something like this. Once we get here, shift of structure, engulfing. I take the trade. Stop loss somewhere above the zone. Take profit. Take profit. It will be at the daily structure point. But I do believe we can make it all the way down here, like somewhere around here. Let's do a quick recap. USD JPY, shift of structure on the 1 hour, look for sells. Euro GBP, pull back on the 4 hour, look for buys. Euro CHF, shift of structure on the 4 hour, pull back, look for buys. Or if price gets over here and then 4 hour shift structure, I look for sells. Or if 4 hour remains bearish how it is right now, all the way into this area of interest, I look for a shift of structure on the 1 hour, I look for sells. USD CAD, 1 hour shift of structure, look for sells. GBP USD, pull back on the 4 hour into the zone, look for sells. CAD JPY, shift of structure on the 1 hour, look for sells. USD CHF, pull back on the 4 hour all the way into this area, shift of structure on the 1 hour, look for sells. And guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know down in the comments what pairs you picked. And good luck with your trades. Peace. See you next week.